Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going back into the Black Friday sale going on at Harbor Freight. So it's been updated once again. There's more stuff added to it. So we're going to go ahead and check them out. If you guys haven't watched my previous video, this is going to include a few more pages than what the actual original flyer had. So we do have some new deals here. For ITC members, this is going to start Monday the 24th through Wednesday the 26th, and then everyone else can start shopping the Black Friday deals online on the 27th, in store on the 28th through December 1st. Get into this. The top row here, it's all the same. You got the mini pick and hook set from Icon, $10. I think that's a fantastic deal. The microfibers over here at under $3, that's a great deal. The ammo box, that's always a good deal if you need little storage containers. Then we have the 4 big coupons that were already, on the flyer. 40% off all Icon ratchets. That's to be Gen 1 and Gen 2. 30% off Daytona jacks. That's not anything else, just the floor jacks. The Apache cases, 30% off. 40% off Hardy gloves. So, all really good deals there. Then we had the generator and the power station already on sale, but they did add the new toolboxes, or the new mini toolboxes, I should say. The original colors that they already had are down to $13. The new colors are down to $15, original price being $18. So some decent savings on those. Some of the best priced mini toolboxes out there, and after checking out some of the others, they're actually pretty good quality for mini toolboxes. I actually went out and bought 2 of the purple ones. Then they already had the off-road jack and the 5-door service cart down to $200. That's always a great price. Great service cart for the price. Their new electric pressure washer over here. Badlands winch, the 12,000 pound with the wire rope, down to $270 from $350. I believe everything down here on the bottom row is also the same. On the second page, we have the Comfort Grip screwdriver set, 70 piece at $23. Just a few miscellaneous items up there. You got the 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar work light. Really short name. $18 down from $30. It does look like they added a couple of toolboxes as well. I believe it was the 56-inch before and the Yukon. But now they've added the 42-inch, and that's going to be down to $530 from $600. So a little bit of savings on there. Then we have all of the larger mechanics tool sets, the 225 piece set down to $100, the 301 piece set down to $170, and then the Quinn Master Technicians tool set, 428 pieces down to $300. I think that's a great price. A lot of good stuff in that set, and not full of a bunch of filler stuff. There's some filler stuff, but they actually did a really good job on that set. It includes a lot of nice stuff, combination wrenches, ratcheting wrenches, tons of sockets, screwdriver set. It's well put together. I think the ratchets could, use an upgrade. It's not their higher end, ratchets. It's kind of more your generic design, if I remember correctly. Moving down, all of this stuff was already on the flyer. The Doyle 6-inch swivel vise, I'm not sure, $175 down from $200. Not great savings on that. More of your miscellaneous stuff down below. Those hanging shop lights are always really nice. Magnetic socket rails. The 100-piece security bit set at $7. The metal ammo can down to $10 from $18. More of your smaller miscellaneous stuff up here. Some more floor jacks. The 3-ton Pittsburgh low profile, $100 down from $170. The 1.5-ton aluminum racing floor jack down to $85 from $110. 1,000-pound engine stand, $80 down from $100. So some pretty good deals on those. Same thing with the jack stands, down to $35, 30% savings on that. Not much has changed on this page. The Icon seat at $100 down from $115. A couple Viking products, jump starter and battery charger. Both pretty decent discounts on that. Nothing fantastic, but decent. And then the thing that's behind my stupid head is just the 300-pound low-profile creeper, and that's at $28 down from $40. Here up top, we just have basically a bunch of different tarps. The weather-resistant, the extreme duty. I'm not sure if all these Predator items were on there before. I think a couple of these might be new as well. So they got the I know they had the 3500 watt super quiet inverter at 600 down from 800. I want to say these two right here are new adds to the flyer. They already had the 100 watt super light foldable solar panel at $100. Looks like a couple more welders were added as well, and some welding equipment. So if you want to just pause and take a look at that. More miscellaneous items down below. You got the AA and AAA 18 packs down to $5 from $9. Zip ties for $1. Next page, we got the 3-piece step drill bit set at $9 down from $14. $13 for the 29-piece titanium drill bit set down from $20. Couple Hercules items here. You got the 1/2-inch impact with the friction ring tool only, $50 down from $70. And the 2-pack of 5 amp hour batteries for $95 down from $135. I believe that is new. I don't remember seeing that. Then you got the Hercules palm sander at $40 down from $55, and the mobile folding miter saw stand at $150 down from $180. Then you got some of the Bauer stuff on sale. You got some corded tools up here, the hammer drill, sander, grinder. All pretty decent savings on there, 20%, 38%, 33%. You got $30 worth of savings on the 10-inch drill press. Then you have some of their cordless tools. You got their 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive ratchet, both at $48 from $60. And then same price for their 5 amp hour battery. I don't think that's a bad deal. Pretty good savings on all three of those items. 16% off the 8 amp hour battery. Then you have some of the home and yard work tools, chainsaws, mini chainsaw, pruning saw. The Atlas 4 amp hour and 8 amp hour battery at $170 down from $250. 22% savings on the Portland electric pressure washer down to $70 from $90. Then you got the wobble sockets down to $10. They're okay wobble sockets, wobble extensions. Nothing, fantastic, but if you want something cheap and you want some wobble extensions, it's not a bad set. Then you have the 750 lumen rechargeable ultra compact magnetic LED floodlight, available in 4 colors, down to $23 from $30. And then it's just a 10-inch pneumatic tire that's behind my big dumb body. Then on the last page, we just have your, normal, cheaper stuff up at the top. I don't believe it. Actually, I think this 1/2-inch composite air impact twin hammer 1200 foot-pounds was added. They already had one impact here. I think they added one of these. The 1/2-inch 1200 foot-pound impact is at $65 down from $130, so a lot of savings on there. Then you have the 1500 foot-pounds down to $130 from $160. So, both priced really well. The first one, obviously, being a huge discount, $65 off. I know we had the crown stapler from Banks before. Then they have the Bauer 18-gauge brad nailer. Cordless tool, $80 down from $120. So there was quite a bit added to it. I'm actually surprised to see this much of a change. So if you guys saw anything that you might be picking up this Black Friday or during this, it's a long Friday. It lasts basically a week. Let me know what you guys might be picking up down in the comments. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I am glad that they added at least another toolbox to the lineup. I think I did forget to mention they have the 3/8 drive digital torque wrench from Quinn at $138 down from $170. But that is a look at the updated Black Friday flyer from Harbor Freight. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more content. I'll see you guys next time.